check out these Lysol dual action wipes. Hey there, it's Kevin and I do honest and unbiased reviews and hope you'll give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. So these are fantastic wipes. There are two sides to each wipe. And we already took one out, so there is a soft side and also a rougher, more grated side that will get underneath all the grime that's on your surface. This also kills any COVID-19, that's also gone in about 15 seconds. So let's actually clear off the top of this with the grimy, the rougher side to get underneath all the grime. And as you can see, it gets a bit, wet. There is some dampness to the wipe as well. But if we touch it up then with the softer side, then it just really smooths it out and makes sure that everything else is off of the table. So thank you so much for watching. These are the Lysol Dual Action Wipes, and I hope you enjoyed this review. Thanks so much.